fireworks. Just gotta record this one.
Yeah, look. Standing pretty close. Those are dumb.
Whoa! Woo! Yay!
Get low, get low, get low. Look, they're setting them more. Look. Keep on moving.
Wow.
Ah, that's
No wonder
scary.
the dogs are scared.
Yeah, last one.
Holy! Holy! That scared me, Grandma!
They're setting more.
Look at them all over there, too.
They're crazy over there.
It's hard to record all of them! Whoa!
Those ones are sick.
I'm sorry, guys. This is really
This
hard.
is crazy. Yay!
Okay. That one was so
I
loud!
know. The one that popped in the backyard. That's so loud.
It went boom!
What's that?
Oh, here's one!
Yeah, they're setting one in the field. Let's see it. Whoa! Well, they're setting one in the backyard right now.
No way. They're crazy in a backyard. Like, why would any...
They're setting. Look!
Hold on!
They're setting it! There we go. I'm scared.
Alright.
I'm scared.
Alright!
You might see the fireworks.
Come on!
No, they're setting it.
Oh, oh,
They're setting it.
it's okay!
Oh my god! Oh my god! Ah! Ah! Ah!
Oh, there's more! What the heck? What is that that's lighting up? I don't know if you guys can see.
Whoa! Look at the backyard. It's like.
Oh, they're doing it! Look!
No, they're not sending it. Oh
Okay.
yeah, there are! There are now! What you? They're going!
No,
What?
I don't see it.
They're sending it.
Nah, I don't care now.
Holy.
They're not doing it.
Yeah, they're sending more.
This is like a bunch of videos we ever made.
I know, but my leg is very sore. Now I'm just gonna rest it. I'm standing on.
Okay, those people down there are never stopping with those fireworks.
I know, they probably got a wall. Oh, they're setting it!
I'm going back just for every case.
Yeah. Oh, it's done.
No! Oh, oh yeah, I had to take all the good ones.
Holy, look down there.
Yeah, but these ones are more better.
No, look at that one. Ew, there's those ones over there. They're setting one.
I already care now.
No,
What?
I'm serious. They're setting the good one. Look at them. They're setting it. They're running.
Whoa!
Too higher. Holy.
See, you don't get to see.
Look at the bottom. They're sick. On the bottom.
Yeah, I don't care. Parker, come on, just look at these
Whoa!
ones.
That one just flying right in the air. Oh my god. Oh, never mind. Oh, the second one over there. No, not now.
I like these ones.
No, Now they're setting the huge one. Stay still.
Oh my god.
I told you, watch over there. Actually, over here.
Alright guys, I'm done with the videos guys, there's no more.
Now let's just watch them.
We're just gonna watch it now. Peace out. We're gonna do some tomorrow because they're actually doing some tomorrow on Monday at nighttime at our mom's, and we will actually record a bunch of it because they have
I think
all the good ones.
I think
Peace out.